Unlocking clarity. Directions included. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might find on everything from toy boxes to furniture assembly manuals, directions included. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and why it's more important than you might think. When you see directions included on a package or in a description, it means that the product comes with a set of instructions or guidelines. These instructions are designed to help you understand how to assemble, use, or interact with the item effectively. It's a reassurance that you're not left to figure things out on your own. A guide is provided to help you through the process. Why are directions so crucial? First, they ensure safety, especially when dealing with electrical items or things that require assembly. Following the correct steps can prevent accidents. Second, they save time. Instead of guessing how parts fit together or how to start a device, you have a clear roadmap. Lastly, they enhance the experience. Knowing how to fully use a product allows you to enjoy all its features without frustration. Let's look at some examples where directions included is a game changer. Furniture kits. Imagine buying a bookshelf that comes in a flat pack. Without a manual, assembly could be a nightmare. Directions included ensures you know exactly how to put it together. Tech gadgets. New technology can be intimidating. Directions help you set up and use your latest gadget without the guesswork. Board games. Ever played a game with friends and spent more time arguing about the rules than playing? Directions clarify how to play, making for a smooth and enjoyable game night. Here are a few tips to make the most out of directions. Read thoroughly before starting. Understanding the big picture can make the steps easier to follow. Follow step by step. Resist the urge to skip ahead. Each step is there for a reason. Keep the directions for future reference. You might need to disassemble, troubleshoot, or prove warranty claims. Directions included is more than just a phrase. It's a promise that you have the guidance needed to safely and efficiently use a product. Whether it's assembling furniture, setting up a new device, or learning a game, directions can make or break your experience. We hope this video has shed light on why those two words are so important. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember, with the right directions, every task becomes manageable. See you in the next video.